In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up customers and items and services in QuickBooks Desktop. This is an important part of getting your company file organized because once your customers and items are set up correctly, creating invoices becomes much faster and your reporting is much more accurate. We'll go through both parts in a simple, practical way so you can follow along inside QuickBooks Desktop. Let's start with setting up customers. From the top menu, go to Customers and then select Customer Center. This is where QuickBooks stores your customer records, along with jobs, transactions, and other related details. In the top left area, click New Customer and Job or Choose New Customer if that option appears in your version. Now enter the customer name. This should be the unique display name you want QuickBooks to use, so make sure it's clear and easy to recognize later when you're creating invoices or reviewing reports. After that, fill in the relevant contact details. The more complete this information is, the easier it will be to manage customer communication and keep your records clean. Next, switch to the Additional Info tab. Here you can set the customer's terms, such as Net 30, which tells QuickBooks when payment is due after an invoice is issued. You can also assign a customer type if you categorize your clientele. This can be useful for sorting customers and analyzing your business by client group later on. Once everything looks correct, click OK to save the customer. Now let's move on to setting up items and services. In QuickBooks Desktop, items represent the things you charge customers for. That might include consulting hours, repair work, or physical parts you sell. Setting these up properly helps invoices populate faster and ensures your income is tracked to the right accounts. To begin, go to Lists in the top menu and select Item List. In the bottom left corner, click Item and then choose New. In the Type drop-down, select the item type that fits what you're selling. For example, choose Service for Labor or Billable Work, non-inventory. Part for items you sell but don't track as stock, or Inventory part if you need quantity tracking. Then enter the item name or number, along with a description. This description will automatically appear on invoices, so it should be something your customer can easily understand. After that, enter the standard rate or price. Finally, assign the item to the correct income account, such as a service income account, so your revenue is recorded properly on financial statements. This step is especially important for accurate bookkeeping and cleaner reporting. When you're done, click OK to save. Once your customers and items are in place, you'll be ready to invoice more efficiently and keep your QuickBooks file organized from the start.